So guys, that time of the day again. I've got the lad some cards, but he's currently at school. Time being 10:53. I don't know if you can see that. No, you can. 10:53. He's got 4 hours until he has to come out of school. So we're just gonna go for a drive and wait till he comes out of school so we can open these and see if we can get any good cards. Again, we got a Dragapult, which we've got hundreds of now, so if you need it, just drop us a comment down below. Okay guys, catch you in a bit. What are they? What are they? What you doing? Energy. So I've just been out to surprise him again and picked up some of these sword and shield battle styles. Not really sure what they are. There was 3 packs left in the nudes agents, so I picked them up for him. So he'll be opening them, and obviously these as well. There's 3 packs in there of Vivid Voltage, so it'll be a nice surprise for him when he gets back from school. And who's this? This is Shelly. She's our tortoise. She could be a Pokemon as well. I mean, what tortoise Pokemon are there? Is there any? Could it be Blastoise? Is that a tortoise? Let us know. But there you go. So yeah, we'll be recording opening these as soon as the little one gets back from school. Alright, peace out. Right guys, he's finally finished school, so let's dig in. What have we got today? You got a toy. We've also got, I've shown you earlier anyway, so the Battle Styles. Come on then, let's open these.
And this is a Pokemon card what we had, but a toy.
Okay. Get into it.
Okay. Okay, so let's open this one first. What's the coolest besides him? I gotta open it.
I can sense my spider senses. My spider senses are tingling that we're gonna get.
You're not. Oh, you've been violent.
Well, he nearly dropped them. But... Right, these are a new set.
You're disappointed in me.
No.
Yes.
These are a new set.
That was hilarious.
Yeah, you know, so we've got that one here. Check.
Thank you.
So none of these are swaps so far. We've got a Cobra.
A doggy.
We've got a doggy. Home. Yeah, whatever. yeah. Home. That was a weird noise, wasn't it? What the hell was that one? Licky tongue. That's what it's called, licky tongue. Yeah, it's got a rather large tongue.
Oh! We have this guy, but in D.
Yeah, we do, yeah. Let's have a look. So we've got a Slowbro in a holographic. Reverse holographic, sorry.
Dad?
I'm still getting used to it. What? What's that?
That's a shiny, and what does that say? And what's that?
It's a single strike, whatever that means.
And it's a shiny.
What does single strike mean?
I don't know.
You don't know, but you're getting excited about that.
No. No. Say it normally.
Energy. We've got a Seadra.
We have a fan. Literally, it's fun.
Hope you've got a few fans on YouTube. Well, you will do. Yeah, literally as a fan now. We actually have got a fan.
Shell turtle.
And we got Dottler.
What the hell is Rottweiler?
Dottler. I don't know. He's a...
That guy looks the least coolest, so we're opening him last.
Yeah. So
Hopefully these...
got a couple of good cards.
Hopefully these ones don't explode in my face.
Be less violent.
No. Oh, I meant to be violent.
Whatever that was. So we got a Cherubi. I don't know.
Squirrel.
That one.
Squirrel. Ghost face, whatever that thing is. That.
Hondedge.
No.
Hey, we've got a swap. We've opened 2 packs and we've got a duplicate already. A seahorse or a horsey, whatever he's meant to be. We've got that one. I think we got a good card judging by his face. Let's have a look. What's up with you? What the hell is that? That looks creepy. Let's have a look. Show the
Dad,
viewers.
wait. That isn't its real face. Do you see those little dots there?
Yeah.
That's its eyes.
Is it?
And that's a V shiny.
Mimic you or something?
I've got a Teddy Mimikyu.
He looks like a freaky Pikachu.
It's not Pikachu, Dad. Energy, say it normally.
Energy, say it normally.
We've got 2 amazingly good cards.
Screw of swirls. Scroll of swirls. Screw of swirls. I'm not with it today. Buffalant. Let's have a look.
I tricked you.
That's a rubbish one.
I know, I tricked you. That's the really good fun part. Do you think you'll get... Judging by those packs, they look different.
They are. These are the ones we normally get, the vivid voltage ones.
Yeah, but the packs look different inside of them.
Okay. We'll soon see.
Oh no.
No, no. Oh, no.
No.
Copyright strike.
No.
Do you want me to open that one?
Yeah, I already.
He's gone and messed it up.
Oh, Pokemon card, but a toy. But
He had one job.
me.
Now I can't open it. Violently.
Ooh.
We got a Mankey.
We got a good one right off the bat.
What, that?
Yeah.
Oh no, is that somebody at the door? I don't think any of these are good.
Fish. Bird.
Keep on gummy boy. Spearow.
A modern play one fire type.
Ooh, that's a reverse hollow, but I think it's a common.
No, we don't have any more good ones.
No good ones.
No.
What?
I told you this pack would be disappointing.
It's water energy. A blade.
I'm wrong. We got a good one.
That ain't good.
Yeah, it is, Dad. Look at it.
It doesn't matter. It's only a diamond.
That thing. Give me the codes.
And another swirly, scrolly thingy, bobby.
And codes. The codes are very good. We have another Promo card.
Another Dragapult. I'm getting sick of that character.
So we have this. That.
Which one you opening first?
Pikachu.
Pika Pika!
Why does Pikachu always give me good luck?
We'll soon see.
Perfect.
Charmander.
Charmander, you can all turn into Charmander.
I like Charmander.
Wait, should we go show what my big brother gave us yesterday?
Just carry on with these. What's this one called again? Whooper, whooper, whapper, whapper.
Do you think we'll get any good ones in there?
I don't know. These are all swaps. Meowth.
Yes, punch it.
Cottony. We got Aracuda. We got.
A good card.
Let's have a look. Oh, we need that one as well.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I like that one.
This is a really rare Pokemon.
Reverse hollow. Zapdos.
Yeah,
We've got that.
No, we don't.
I'm sure we do.
No, we don't.
Zapdos.
Those are the only two we got good at out of this pack. We just goinked them out my goddamn hand.
Grass Energy. League Staff. Karoka Waka Waka Waka.
Is that actually his name?
Krokorok. Krokorok. I don't know. And Aromatic Energy.
A code.
And a code. Come on, where's this Pika?
Daddy really wants the Pikachu.
Where's this Pika?
Snail.
Oh god. Weedle.
Modeling Flow.
Got it.
Crocodile Man.
Sandile again.
Doggy.
What's your what?
Pineapple.
Pineco.
Wolfhead.
Oh, he's a reverse hollow. Puccina.
Strawberry Hair. Dark Angel.
Oh, I think we need that one.
Whatever the hell this is. Energy.
I'm not sure what energy that is. Stone energy.
Water.
Electric.
Some sort of Mimikyu.
Kakuna.
What? Wait a minute.
Kakuna Natara.
This is a scam. It's scratched. Ooh, they're all scratched.
Oh, they're all a scam. The codes are all
Why
scam.
did it make me punch this?
Maybe it'll give it some good luck. Oh, that Pika.
Hey!
How do you open that one? Oh, that's a rubbish one as well.
No, it ain't.
We're not going to get any good ones, guys.
The
Got
Pikachu.
Picky Peck. We've pulled in the last 2-3 nights. Him again.
The doggy. We need him.
Rockruff. I think we've already got him.
Dad, we can sell it.
Hey, wait a minute.
Look, we can finally,
Blitz.
sell it.
That's it's a good one. I think that's called an amazing rare, Jirichi. Amazing rare.
Yeah, that was one of you guys can buy it for £15.
£15.
Yeah, that's how much it's worth.
Grapple Cot or whatever. I don't think
Energy.
we've got him either.
What?
I just said energy, but without saying it. Lamancha.
You just said it.
Oh no! Swallow. Boo. And another league staff. What? We need to get rid of some of these.
Codes.
So, that's it. Did we get any good ones really? We've got a couple. We've got a Jirichi that we can sell, haven't we?
Yeah, and that big fat guy who we got in the first go.
The big fat one.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And the second one we got really good ones, didn't we?
Yeah, we got a few good ones.
Yeah.
And we got a new pack, haven't we? We started a new pack collection.
Oh, yeah. And
Yeah.
that Mimikyu, the Mimikyu.
Is that our favourite one today?
Well, Dad, we
That's
also
our
have,
favourite
we
one
also have 3 other really good ones, like the Electric Man, the Wolf thingy, and the big fat guy.
Yeah, and we had that Jirichi, haven't we? So
Yeah, so we got a really good turn today.
Yeah.
And watch the cool sound that this makes.
wow, that is cool. So that's it then. We'll go and put these in the sleeves so they're packed fresh. And like I say, if you see any cards that they like, just comment down below and we'll have a swap or sell them. And what have they got to do? Ring our doorbell.
ring the bell, hit the like button and subscribe.
Alright then, that's it for today guys.
Bye bye.
Peace out.